Hi, this is Angie, and let's get your email auto-reply set up inside Photo App. And this is one of the simplest parts once you've already created your knowledge base. We'll first make a few changes to your settings before activating the auto-reply. In your settings sheet, go to the auto-reply section. Where it says System Enabled, make sure it's always set to Yes. Now, when the system is active, you have two options. You can choose to auto-send emails directly, or you can have them saved as drafts for your review before sending. For now, I recommend starting with drafts. That way you can review how the system responds while your knowledge base grows more complete. Next, look at default tone. Leave this set to professional for now. Later, you can edit your profile to customize how you want the emails to sound. For email signature, type your name exactly as you'd like it to appear at the bottom of your messages. Now look for Auto Send High Confidence. If this is set to true, the system will write and send all emails it finds automatically. For now, I suggest leaving this set to false until you're fully comfortable with the system. It's also important that you have the Gmail app on your phone. That way you can easily check drafts, edit them, and send them yourself. Next is exclude domains. Here you can list any email addresses that you don't want the system to reply to. Make sure to separate each email with a comma. For example, info@mydomain.com, team@mydomain.com. By default, the system already ignores spam and no reply addresses, but this gives you extra control. Now look at check frequency. This is how often the system scans your inbox. Leave it at every 30 minutes to stay within Google's API limits. You can lower it to 15 minutes if you want, but usually 30 is enough. Business hours only should be set to false if you want replies to run 24/7 instead of just 9 to 5. Auto Delete Send will remove emails from your sent folder after they go out. This is optional, so choose what works best for you. Main language should be English by default, but the system can also detect and reply in other languages when needed. Next, fill in your company website. This will appear in your signature, so make sure it's accurate. You'll also see a section for review URLs. These are used in your review templates. For example, you can add Google reviews or TripAdvisor by typing the name and pasting the link. The system will only include a review link if you provide a URL. If you leave it blank, nothing will be sent. Now scroll down to the personality profile section. This is very important because it tells the AI how to sound like you. Start with your basic identity. Fill out your name, gender, age range, and country. For example, if you set country to US, the system will use American English. If you set it to UK, it will write in British English. Next, fill out your photography personality. Describe your communication style, your energy, your tone, whether you like humor, how enthusiastic you are, and whether you use contractions like you'll or can't. This helps the AI write in a way that feels natural and aligned with your brand. Now let's activate the system. Go to the menu and click Auto-Reply System, then click Set up AI Email. Click OK to continue and accept the prompts. Once that's done, the system will begin generating replies. For example, I tested it with a simple wedding inquiry email, and the system wrote a clear professional draft for me to review. You should test it the same way. Send yourself a few sample inquiries from another email account. Use the kinds of questions clients ask you every day. Then check how the AI responds and make sure your knowledge base includes all the information your clients might ask about. And that's it for setting up email auto-reply. If you run into any issues or need help, I'm always here. Let's keep going.